Cabeza de Toro, guys. 2 different days. I'm just next to the Catalonia resort. Check out the video if you like, because it's different every day. It's different every day. Well, it's always salty, but I mean, the seagrass is just different every day. You can't tell. Welcome to Punta Cana, all you can see. Welcome to the Catalonia resort beach. This is Catalonia Royal and the Catalonia Bavaro. To the right and to the left there are no other hotels, so this is why this video is only about the beach and the seaweed situation here at the Catalonia. The ocean in Cabeza de Toro most of the year is calm like this, no big waves, and you can walk in a little bit further as it's very shallow. Plus, there is not as much boat traffic as there is in Bavaro, Punta Cana. People at the Catalonia love to spend time over there in this blue spot. And as well, they leave the swimming area. It looks like a little pass, the same blue that you can walk just up into the ocean. See how shallow it is? The people are just walking there. To the right and to the left, the green. This is seagrass as well, what you've seen from above. So Cabeza de Toro here with this green islands under the water. If you bring your snorkeling mask, there is something to see. Little things. To the left end of the beach, there is a kite surf school. I'm sorry that I didn't get more information. And over here, if you look further, where the white beach is here, this is the Serenade Hotel. I didn't walk there that day. I tried to reach it with the drone, but it was too windy. And always halfway, I had to turn around and come back. Here you can see the little seaweed that's there. It's cleaned up by the stuff too. And hopefully it stays like this. Little seaweed and long beaches to walk. Cabeza de Toro, especially for the Catalonia, to the right side there's a natural beach. It's different than in Bavaro because there are different grounds. You have a little bit of stones. You also can find seashells here. And there is much more natural beach life than in Bavaro, where you have hotel next to hotel next to hotel. Have a look. I went into the ocean here. I had to cross the Seaweed, but then this is the ocean that you get. And I think it's beautiful. It's a beautiful natural beach. And we all know the beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. And you are watching through my eyes, so you only can see the beauty here. Thank you for watching Punta Cana All You Can See. I hope I could help you a little bit with this video here about the beach in Cabeza de Toro, Catalonia Resort, Catalonia Royal and Bavaro. And I will see you again in the next video here on the channel.